three-dimensional array. We aren't going to show a programming example that uses a three-dimensional array. This is because in practice, one rarely uses this array. However, an example of initializing a three-dimensional array will consolidate your understanding of subscripts. That means 3D array is rarely used in practice, but we will study it because for our knowledge only. Now and it will increase, it will consolidate your understanding of subscript, means it will make clear our concepts about or knowledge about subscript. So this is an example program for three-dimensional array. int arr 342. Now this is in first bracket we have 2 4, now 7 8 3 4 5 6. Now in second bracket we second parenthesis we have 7 6 3 4 5 3 2 3, and in third parenthesis we have 8 9 7 2 3 4 5 1. A three-dimensional array can be thought of as an array of array of array. So it is a very complex, that is array of arrays of arrays. The outer array has three elements, each of which is a two-dimensional array of four-dimensional arrays, each of which contains two integers. So it is a complex kind of array. In other words, a one-dimensional array of two elements is constructed first, then four such one-dimensional arrays are placed, one below the other, to give a two-dimensional array containing four rows. Then three such two-dimensional arrays are placed one behind the other to yield a three-dimensional array containing three two-dimensional arrays. So this is figure 8.9, which is showing the structure of arrays. Now zeroth 2D array, it is 2 4 7 8 3 4 5 6. Now first 2D array is 7 6 4 4 8 3 4. So there is second and 0, first and second. These are three kind of arrays. Again, remember the arrangement shown above is only conceptually true. In memory, same array elements are stored linearly. So in memory, same array elements are stored linearly. So this is a linear arrangement of 2D array elements. So this is 0th 2D array. Now first 2D array and second 2D array. So it has three different addresses. How would you refer the array element 1 in above array? The first subscript should be 2, since the element is in third two-dimensional array. The second subscript should be 3, since element is in the fourth row of two-dimensional array. The third subscript should be 1. Since the element is in second position, the one-dimensional array, we can therefore say that the element 1 can be referred to as ARR 2, 3 and 1. For example, the following two expressions refer to same element in 3D array. ARR 2 3 1 is same as star 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 ARR plus 2 plus 3 plus 1. So this is a 3D arrays example.